Every leaf, every river, every living creature is part of one shared story. Earth. On this World Biodiversity Day 2026, we remember that nature is not separate from us. It is our home, our future, our survival. From the forests of the north to the oceans beyond the horizon, life exists in beautiful balance. But today, that balance is under threat. Protecting biodiversity means protecting humanity itself. One action, one voice, one generation can create change. Hazara University, Department of Botany, stands committed to protecting biodiversity, promoting environmental awareness, and inspiring a greener future for generations to come. Let us grow forests instead of fear. Let us protect life instead of destroying it, because a world rich in nature is a world rich in hope. World Biodiversity Day 2026, presented by the Department of Botany, Hazara University. Together for nature, together for the future.